Hello and welcome to Cake. If you enjoyed my Nutella Tiramisu recipe from last week, I'm sure you're going to love these pralines. Today I'm making Nutella Tiramisu Pralines and they're super easy to make. Here are the ingredients. I'm using 12 ladyfingers, 80 grams of mascarpone, 80 grams of Nutella, 1 tablespoon of espresso, and 5 to 8 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. I begin by crumbling the ladyfingers. And then to this adding the Nutella, mascarpone, and some espresso. I just mix all of this with my little spoon, and you can tell I'm trying to avoid making a bunch of dishes dirty. And just like you would with cake pops, I'm just going to roll small balls with my hands, and then roll these tiramisu cakes in unsweetened cocoa powder. Since these tiramisu balls are moist from the mascarpone, Nutella, and espresso, they're going to soak up the cocoa powder right away. So you're going to want to repeat this step and roll the balls a second time in cocoa powder. This is the perfect recipe if you're trying to prepare really quickly for a party. And you could, of course, add rum or amaretto to this to make it party ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.